bitch chopping, nigga. Yeah, we just gonna vibe out, bro. How y'all boys feeling today though, man? It's a lovely day out. Remember when I told y'all I was about to drop mad content for y'all? Oh shit. What's up, my boy? How you doing, man?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
How you doing?
Trying, sir. Thank you.
Trying?
Yeah, thank you.
That's the best you could do, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
God bless you. Gotta bless them people, man. When y'all see them outside, y'all better give them money, bro. I know most of y'all be driving past, don't be giving these niggas no money. And I know y'all can too. Everywhere I see them niggas, I give them money. It's just who I am, bro. What if you was in that situation, bro? Then what? Would y'all want people to pass y'all on the street like that? I don't think so. Damn. I forgot the thing to put on my head so it could be like a whole POV, you know what I'm saying? But next time though. What this is, man? Look at this girl. This shit fire. Stop playing with her, nigga. Bro, they got the red rims on the white. Yeah, let me hear that. Let me hear that shit, man. Is that a fucking hybrid, nigga? I can't hear that shit. Every time I come out here, it's active out here, bro. I fuck with that. could dig this nigga if I want to, but I'm not. Big old chop, you catch your ops, you better walk down. The roads down here really ass. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's the only thing I hate about New York, bro. Put the windows down. This road is dog doodle. I can't tell you how much bumps I done hit already. We get some nice little sound clips down here. Script right here give me Jamaica vibes. Like I can tell there's a lot of Jamaicans that live down here now. I don't know what part of New York this is. I never been down here. Jeez, that shit sound good. Just parked in the middle of the fucking road, nigga. What's up with these niggas? Is there a school around here? I ain't trying to disturb these niggas. This shit is just. This shit sounds mad. Is this a school zone? Like, no stop sign, nothing? What's up with these roads, bro? Look at that. What? Like I figured, I knew it was some Jamaicans that lived down here, bro. I knew it, bro. I knew it, bro. I know my people, nigga. Fuck y'all talking about. Damn. Is that a 550? Damn. That bitch chopping, nigga. Hey man, I know y'all probably watched a lot of B58s and shit, but what would y'all rate the sound of my car from a scale of 1 to 10? Comment down below. I feel like I got one of the best sounding B58s out here, bro. Listen to that turbo, bro. Get a little dig right here. Damn. They get that issue with that chopper, now they brain gone. I just want a nigga down. Bro, it's hot as shit. Damn! That's a diesel? That shit stink, boy. I got a piss chat. No funny shit. I don't know